Hello, my name is Cody Carlson. I'm doing my intro video for AEP 855. I am the ISS supervisor at Great Bend High School. Also, I coach football, basketball, and track at the high school as well. My most influential person in my life would be my high school football coach. He taught me all the values to be successful, and not only was I a player for him, but I was his teacher's aide. And then later on, after I graduated college, I actually coached alongside of him, so I've been learning from him for quite a while, and I'm still able to bounce ideas off of him. The results with my personality test, I thought they were pretty relevant. I agree with them. Relatively, I am a very quiet person in large social settings. I don't do well with that, like public speaking and social interaction. And that's my number one weakness. But like doing videos like this and trying to challenge myself to go talk to people more in those social settings that I'm unfamiliar with, I'm trying to work on that to make that more of a strength. Another one was I am probably more on the more critical side, but has coaching as kind of in the life of everybody's kind of moved on, being more positive. I've been trying to work on that as well. And then my highest score of the conscientiousness was very spot on. I'm a very well organized person, and if things aren't where they need to be or how they're supposed to be, I get a little angry. So I like everything being well organized. My two theories that I chose were transformational and authentic. I thought they agreed very well with my personality test, just because I thought they described coaching and being leading a group of young people. I thought those went well together, and coaching will always be in my DNA. So that's how my brain is wired to think. With comparing it to my testing, I am a fairly quiet person in unfamiliar settings, but like with our kids and my students, I'm able to have conversation with those people. And those two theories were very heavily based on making those relationships with people, and then also keeping your composure and just holding your true values and staying to yourself and just being authentic. Kids nowadays, or always, I believe, will be able to tell through the lies. So if you're not real, then they won't trust you. And having that trust, that's when you have those connections and those relationships, and then they'll do anything for you. Trying to get these modules done so I can go down to the lake this weekend. Thank you very much. I look forward to learning from all of you, and have a good one.